Alright guys, how about a sewing report quick tip? Recently I had to hem my husband's pants, so I thought why not make a video of it. So my husband has to wear black pants for work, and we got him this pair from TJ Maxx. It was super long. So I marked how much I wanted to cut off, which was about 5.5 inches, because you have to account for the seam allowance. So we pinned the pants where we wanted them to fall, and then I added about 1 inch on. Marked it with this chalk pen and then cut my fabric. Yes, I'm a very slow cutter apparently. And also forgive the noise, there are some roofers on top of my building, so you may hear some pounding throughout this video. I apologize in advance. Alright, we're cutting. Now this part's a little hard to see, but I'm taking my seam gauge and folding it down 1/2 inch, pressing that into place, and then I'm going to fold it over once again. So the total seam allowance is probably 1 inch when it's all said and done. Alright, now I'm pinning this into place using my wonderful silk pins. These are great for fine fabric because it doesn't leave holes in it. Alright, there we go, we're all pinned. Now we're gonna head over to the sewing machine and get this all hemmed up. So I did about I think I did a 3.0 stitch length. I'm using my walking foot, and I've got the position, I think it's at 3.5, and we are sewing. Also removing the pins as I'm going. My sewing machine does have a free arm, so I use that and put the pant legs over the arm of my sewing machine. So there we are, and we are sewing. I'm of course using matching thread because I don't want to use hot pink on men's pants, of course. Now we just have to press, and there you go. There is a finished hem. Looks pretty nice. Only took about 20 minutes from start to finish, and you can do this for any pants that are too long for you. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and be sure to like it and comment below. Subscribe to the Sewing Report for everything sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. I'm Jennifer Moore, and I will see you next time.